What's your client's name?
Titus Ramirez.
And are y'all ready to proceed on the motion?
We are, Judge.
Yeah.
Oh, you. Was it that case? Okay. All right. Sure.
Hello. All right. Court is calling 2023 CR 2781 State versus Titus Ramirez. Can I have parties announced?
James Tochi for Mr. Ramirez, Judge.
And are you Mr. Ramirez? All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Titus Ramirez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 2781 for the offense of failure to stop and render aid on August 28, 2023 for a period of 5 years? All right, state, you may proceed.
Resolution number 2, on or about the 25th day of June 2024 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant Titus Jeremy Ramirez did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court, supervision officer, and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Some of it's not true.
Well, the June 2024 date, is that true or not true?
That's true.
Okay.
On or about the 24th day of July 2024 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Titus Jeremy Ramirez did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court / supervision officer or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 30th day of August 2024 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Titus Jeremy Ramirez did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court, supervision officer, or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
It's true.
The state will waive the remaining.
Any objection?
No, ma'am.
The judge stand by pleading true to 2, 2, 2, and 2. The court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 5 years in the prison and up to a $5,000 fine. Do you understand that?
That's right.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to 2, 2, and 2?
That's right.
Court will find 2, 2, and 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
State is happy that you grant each motion, enter an adjudication of guilt and sentence to 10 years in prison.
And defense, what are you requesting?
Well, Judge, obviously not that. The recommendation, so the court is aware that is being made by probation is to keep them on probation. They have a slew of treatments that they are recommending to the court. I'd be more in line with that, to include SATF and MRT. Mr. Ramirez, this is not very unique, but he's just one of those guys that, stepped off the line and never, ever found his way back.
So why isn't he taking his drug tests?
I asked him the same thing. What happened? He became homeless. He was checking in for a while. I think he had a good solid beginning to his probation, and then he became homeless. And
Well, I see that this is the first motion to revoke since he was placed on probation in 2023.
it appears that way. And admittedly, on paper, he does not, look like a great candidate. But being homeless, I can't imagine doing anything in life, especially being on probation. He's more stabilized now. Apparently, his parents have accepted him into his home. He tells me that he has been working for the past 8 months. And I asked him, why didn't you come back after that? And of course, it's the trap they all fall in. Once the warrant goes out, they feel like all hope is lost and it doesn't matter. So they just stay away.
All right, any objection to the court reviewing the court summary?
Okay. He would like treatment. I'll let the court read the summary, but he definitely would be interested in residential treatment. He feels it would help him.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. 1, I can revoke you and I'll sentence you to 4 years. or I'll continue you, but you're going to be in inpatient treatment. Which do you prefer?
Inpatient treatment.
All right, the court will deny the motion. Alternate conditions to include SATA and portable alcohol monitoring for 1 year. There's to be no driving. There's to be regular random UAs. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Probation, the court is recommending SATF. However, I see that he has a TAP evaluation scheduled for February 12th, 2026. If the TAP evaluation recommends something more intensive, then we'll go with the TAP recommendation.
Yes, sir.
If they're just recommending supportive outpatient treatment, we're going to go with SATA. All right. Is there anything else you need from the court?
No,
Probation, is there anything else that's needed? All right, state your excuse. Thank you. Here's the thing. From here on out, everything you do, you need to ask yourself, could this potentially result in me being in prison for 5 years? If the answer is yes, don't do it. And I'm going to tell you what I tell everybody. If there's an issue, let probation know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can come back to the court. Do you understand?
yes, I do. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Are the parties ready on Mr. Foz?